My name is Tero, and our company name is Shenzhen Geotimes Technology Corporation Limited, a leading worldwide video IoT solution provider. Since established, our company especially focusing on the video IoT industry, and our main products is the wireless Wi-Fi cameras and the 4G cameras, and also the video doorbell cameras, etc. Until now, our user base already is over 100 million all over the world. Our products already exist in over 115 plus countries. So this time we take some excellent of our products in this exhibition to present our products to the Russia market. Our aim is to offer the cost-friendly products and also the good quality for the Russia market. For the exhibition, we think is quite professional, because there are also lots of excellent players attend this exhibition, top brand, Hikvision, Dawa, etc. Actually, we already have the market research a few days ago when we walk around the market and we talk with some players in this industry. They think the Wi-Fi wireless cameras is quite a good business in Russia. In the near future, we think the Russia market is a quite good potential market for this type of products. We have a good impression for the Russia market.